Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are going to have a look of my closet, a learning of owning less and feeling more, also with some tips of organization and decluttering. My closet is about 3 meters wide, divided into 3 major parts. Every day my closet brings me joy. It's so easy to see and get. I labeled everything. These transparent plastic coat covers are quite handy. I found my personal style. This closet helps me get dressed, get things sorted, displayed, and organized. Give me a whole new experience that I shopped in my own closet for a whole year. Let's get started. Rain boots, snow boots, Chelsea boots, sandals, heels, flats, loafers, and sneakers. I have 23 pairs of shoes in my shoe closet. They can be pulled out for easy access, downsized from more than 100 pairs. I only keep those most comfortable. I don't buy shoes that easily as I did before. My heels are all lower than 2 inches high. Most are round toes. Flats and loafers are my favorites. Most are pointed toes. I also wear my sneakers more and more often. Couldn't tell enough how comfortable they are. I saved 3 drawer space for visitors' use. Preparing paper slippers for guests, and the others are for my regular visit family members. Some shoe care and foot care products are also stored here. I have my shoe drawer lined by paper to keep it clean. Put in these transparent plastic covers. I have 18 items in my closet, including woolen coats, light-weighted down coat and vest. I also have 3 drawers of travel cases, made by all kinds of materials. As you can see, I'm really into travel packing. Using uniform hangers and arranged in a color-coded sequence, I managed to have 75 pieces hung in, including dresses and tops. With 6 DIY dividers, long sweatshirts, dresses, shirts, blouses, jackets, and blazers are all clear to tell. I don't separate seasonal clothes. Organized by length. 2 drawers can be fit in to maximize the space use. This drawer is for cami and tank tops. The other is for my cosmetics and beauty products. Using see-through drawers bought from Muji and with DIY labels, I have 11 drawers to keep my small items well organized. The largest 2 drawers are for my towels. In between, storing my swimwears. These 2 drawers store my underwears and hats, mainly bras, panties, and baseball hats. Followed are my socks and stockings. Space use of each category are limited into 1 drawer only. Then it's my accessory drawer, including earrings, belts, nail colors, and necklaces. This drawer, I have my toiletry bag and technology bag fully prepared and stored. I can quickly grab all my favorites and must-have to go, saving me a lot of packing time. These 2 drawers are for my scarves. Downsized from more than 100 pieces, now I have 44 scarves in different lengths and materials. In the front are monocle ones. In the back are patterns. More patterns here, and some silky scarves. Moving to more drawer sections. Again, they are all labeled. The first is my favorite cotton wear drawer, including t-shirts and sweatpants. They are my most home-relaxing loungewear. Then it's my shorts, skinny trousers, skinny khaki pants, and skinny jeans. Folding maximizes your space. Make your clothes easy to see and get. The next drawer is my jeans drawer, including boyfriend jeans, boot jeans, flare jeans, and wide leg jeans. Following are some other trousers and skirts. I seldom wear skirts, so I have them downsized and folded here. The last drawer is my thermal sweatshirts and pants. The rest in the closet are my bag sections. Originally, this space was full of blazers, skirts, and shorts. I have them cleared out and downsized. Also, my bags were once all kept in boxes, put very high. Now they could be displayed and hung for my easy access. They are my Loewe Amazona bag, Louis Vuitton Speedy 30, my most trusted Las Bolsac shoulder bag and small tote bag, Chanel Paris Biarritz GM tote, Fendi tote, and Louis Vuitton Apollo backpack. Some of these bags are with me for more than 10 years. They are super durable and still spark joys. In this space, I also have 2 drawers of beddings. These basket drawers are also used to store my bags, giving them air to breathe. I have some wallets and small leather goods. Small bags. More nylon bags. Textile bags. This Burberry tote has been with me for 20 years. It still shines. Also, the green palm tree bag was handmade by my talented mom. Ralph Lauren plate tote and a Samorga bag organizer. According to seasons or humidity, I'll have my bags stored in dust bags. Well, this is my closet. It's a journey of owning less, feeling more. Wondering if you ever felt similar. I used to be a person that I kept things, didn't get rid of things, couldn't part with any clothes I own. I used to enjoy the so-called retail therapy, went shopping all year long. I thought myself content and happy, but actually not. The more I shopped, the more I found nothing suitable to wear in a daily basis. How frustrating. What's wrong with me? 4 years ago, I read a book, Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, by a Japanese author, Kondo. Immediately, I was drawn into it deeply. I read it thoroughly for 4 times, completely fallen into practices, challenged myself in decluttering, purging, and eventually knowing what I actually have, really enjoying every piece surrounded. I can't call myself a minimalist yet. However, now I own less, feel more. Especially, learn to buy locally. Search for brands that is more ethical and more environmental friendly. Going through this journey changed my relationship with materials, having more awareness on what really matters to me. Do you enjoy your closet? I wish you enjoy the perfect one, defined by yourself. And please always remember that life is beautiful, you are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.